Hi everyone, this is Atanas with LegalTrek. As you can see, I'm into the document assembly section of our system, where I'm going to show you our new feature. So you may be familiar, you select a template. If you're interested how to create a document, here is a description. And then you can map the variables in your document, so you have a client name and a meta name. And then you select the client and matter for whom you want this document to pertain. So in my case, the client is Farewell, and the matter, let's say, is apply for EU funding. And then you can generate a document. At the moment you click download the docx file, not only do you get this file, which file is going to say dear company, and here is of course the company name is filled, work related to matter, this matter is finished, or whatever the template may say. After you create this template, the file that has been created is now saved into the client and matter in LegalTrek. Let me demonstrate this. So I'm going to go directly to the matter, apply for EU funding, and then I'm going to go into the documents. And what I'm going to find is this document that has been produced with the same name, including the date, being automatically uploaded to the document section of LegalTrek, as opposed to just being downloaded on the computer. This addition is due to client feedback. We are very happy to have made it, and we hope you're going to use it.